Hello, welcome back. So I got another booty workout for you as per usual. I'm going to be showing you my favorite cable exercises. Anytime I use the cable machine, I literally do these exercises. They're like my holy grail, like my staples. It's the exercises that I actually truly feel the burn in my booty, because there's a lot where like I'll feel it in my lower back, or I'll feel it in my hamstring or my quad, and I won't feel like I'm hitting my glute. So I've done a lot of just like, I don't know, like I'll just switch between different variations of the same exercise, of like the same motion, but do it in a way to where I feel it mostly in my butt. So that's what I've done, and I'm gonna show you the ones that work for me. But also, if you guys haven't purchased my booty bands yet, I have some new resistance bands that literally have changed the game. Like, these are the fabric ones, so they're a lot thicker. They're going to be a lot more resistance than the rubber ones, so I definitely recommend checking these out if you feel like you need new bands. Anyways, they'll be in the link in the description box below. Anyways, let's just start working out. Okay, so the first exercise is a glute pull through. You're going to do 12 reps and you're going to do 4 sets. So the next exercise is a cable squat, and you're going to do 4 sets of 12 reps. The next exercise is a glute kickback, but it's a variation where you're lying on your side and you kick back. And I like to do this because I feel it more in my butt, and when I stand and do it, I feel it in my lower back or my hamstrings. So this is just a variation that I found works for my body, but really you can do whatever variation as long as it's the same movement and you feel it in your booty. And we're going to be doing 12 of 4 sets. So 12 reps, 4 sets. So as you guys know, when you work at one butt cheek, you always have to work at the other butt cheek. So we're doing the other side. Okay guys, that is the end of today's workout. Make sure that you did 4 sets of every single exercise. I personally like to do these exercises, or these specific exercises, I like to do like one set after the other. So I'll do one exercise 4 times in a row rather than doing a circuit. So that's personally what I like to do, just because I feel it the most in my butt. If you haven't checked out my booty bands, these are new and they're out on www.keechpeach.fit. I'm super excited about these because these are like the next step from the rubber ones. Like the rubber ones have a really good resistance, but these ones have a lot heavier resistance. So if you feel like you need a little bit more of a burn, then definitely go check these bad boys out. And plus, I drew these bodies. Like, how cute is these? I love it. Also, go check out the Keech Peach Instagram. I post a lot of my daily meals, smoothies, juice recipes, all of that kind of fun stuff. Anyways, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye!